In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to request an update in Smartsheet. To get started, open the Smartsheet sheet where you need updated information. Make sure you're in the correct sheet before moving forward, especially if you manage multiple projects or track several workflows at once. This helps avoid sending a request from the wrong place and keeps your communication organized from the beginning. Once the sheet is open, find the specific row that needs to be updated. This is important because the update request will be tied directly to that row. In other words, the person receiving the request will be asked to review and update information connected to that exact item, task, or record. Take a moment here to confirm that you've selected the right row so the request goes to the right context. After selecting the row, click the row menu or the automation option, depending on the version of Smartsheet you're using and where the feature appears in your layout. You're looking for the option that allows you to send an update request. Smartsheet makes this process straightforward, and this feature is especially useful when you need input from someone who may not regularly work inside the sheet itself. From there, choose Request Update. This opens the tool that lets you send a focused request to another person. It's designed to make collaboration easier by allowing someone to update only the information you want them to see rather than giving them full access to the entire sheet. Next, enter the recipient's email address. Be sure to use the correct address so the request reaches the intended person. If needed, double check before sending, since accurate delivery is key to getting a timely response. Then choose which fields they should update. This step gives you control over what the recipient can edit, which helps keep the request clear and prevents unnecessary changes to other parts of the row. It's a good idea to include only the fields that are relevant to the update you need. Keeping the request focused usually makes it easier for the recipient to respond quickly and accurately. Finally, send the request and wait for their response. And once it's sent, the recipient will receive a message with instructions for updating the selected fields. This is a simple and effective way to collect updated information without having to manually follow up inside the sheet. And that's how to request an update in Smartsheet.